special type of welding. So in the special type of welding, we can consider resistance welding. So resistance welding, when a heavy electric current is passed through a material, the material offers resistance to the movement with the flow of the current. So this resistance causes here a local heat. So this heat generated can be used to join the two pieces to be welded. So here the resistance welding, by the resistance welding, very high heat is obtained of the order of 2000 to 2400 degrees centigrade. The quantity of heat generated in the material due to the current flow is given by Joule's law, that is Q, that is heat, is equal to 0.24 into I square RT. So where 0.24 is the proportionality constant, it is called as thermal conductivity K, and Q is the heat generated in calories. I square is the current in amperes, R is the resistance in ohms, and T is the time of flow of current. Time of flow of current. Heat is generated. Heat generated is very rapid as very high current 300 to 10 to the power 500 5 10 to the power 5 amperes with a voltage up to 25 U is used. A transformer is used for the purpose. AC source is used. The parts to be joined are heated to plastic state and high pressure is applied. High pressure is applied. The result in the joint, high pressure is applied. The result in the joint after cooling. This results in the joint after cooling. Current consumed depends upon the area of the contact and time flow. Pressure applied is approximately around 25 to 55 newtons per mm square. No filler metal is required for this purpose. Copper electrode is used to carry the current to the joint. Resistance welding can be used for all the resistance welding can be used for all the metals. Resistance welding can be used for all the metals. At several all the metals except tin, lead and zinc, as they pose several problems. Advantages of resistance welding: no filler rod is required fast rate of welding is possible. Semi-skilled worker can be employed. Both similar and dissimilar metals, both similar and dissimilar metals can be joined, can be joined. Very high reliability and reproducibility obtained.